Hey, welcome back on Crypto Mercy. Have a great Sunday. Today I will mix Elliott Wave with Fib circles. You will see this is pretty interesting. But first, the intro.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yesterday we have been over the Fib circle. We will mix this with Elliott Wave today, but I want to show you first. I've been calling $70, $75, and even $45 since a while, and this is a possibility. And just want to show you that I was calling this even before, but look, just here on the 2nd of May, what I said. I don't think so, personally. We have to be realistic. This is not enough for a second wave for me. Personally, I'm more taking the risk to have a chance to buy much more eGOLD. I want those eGOLDs, please. It's my best project. I love Elrond. And also May 18, you are seeing all the moving average, strong moving average that are giving us a support. And you can figure out with all this, where's the biggest support? And now I will not hide you that this zone is crazy good support between $80 and $60. Also strong support here between. That's it. You can watch those video, really cool. And also the people that are following me, I'm just gonna copy, gonna duplicate this chart right here, and gonna make a copy. All right, let's erase everything here. You know, the people that are following me know that the bottom of this logarithmic channel here is right around $43. It is why it is possible that we are going there. It's very clear here, and I talk about this many times. A lot of people were throwing me tomatoes and asking me to leave technical analysis and to try to find a job at the Burger King. No, McDonald's, better. No, I'm joking. But anyway, now we are on a good support, and I will show you that there is some probabilities that we are not going to go lower. And the Fib circle are giving us some information about this. All right, welcome back right on the eGOLD chart. As you can see here, this Fib circle in green is the 1.618 Fib circle, and this Fib is calling a big support right here, which is important, around $72. Doesn't mean we will not go lower, but for sure this is a support right now. You remember here there is a lot of things. Sorry for that. I already made this. Maybe I erase everything, and this will probably gonna be easier for you, but to see. But I've been over those circles yesterday, and I'm not gonna erase it. I just want to save some times today. Okay, let's back on track with Elrond. I want to compare this Elrond chart with the Fib circles and the Elliott Wave with the Bitcoin one. Very, very interesting. If we zoom in that chart of the Bitcoin, you will see that it's pretty much the same chart that we can see on Elrond right now, because we add this up. I'm gonna put the sticker right there, price label. Okay, we had our Bitcoin first wave at 31.90. We add the second wave retracement at $2.07. We add the wave 3 at 268. We add the retracement that we are on right now at $65, and Bitcoin rose in wave 5 to $1,177. This was in 2013. Just remember here, wave 1, 32, wave 2, $2, 268, 65, and last bull run top here of wave 1 in November 2013 for Bitcoin at almost 1,200. And for Elrond, pretty much the same here. Look at this wave 1 that for me is probably here around 32. We have 32 here for Bitcoin. Pretty similar. We had a retracement to $6.46. We had a retracement to $2. This was stronger for Bitcoin. And we had our top of wave 3 at $251. And we are having this retracement at 65. And Bitcoin had this in April 2013, 268 and 65. 251 and 65, very close. And now the Fib circles are calling three. I have 3 Fib circles who are calling this the end of this wave 5 around 1,267. But for sure, right now we are retracing and we can go lower. But I mean, this is not the time to sell right now. This is the time to accumulate and buy Elrond. Okay, because this price will never come back there. You need to understand this. Bitcoin never had a retracement to $65 after that. The lowest was 162. This was a big plunge in a wave 2, super cycle wave 2 of the Bitcoin. And now we are here. Look, super cycle in blue, cycle in red, and main wave in yellow. Why this was the second wave of the Bitcoin retracement? It is because the RSI never had been lower than this, even not here. I compare that in the weekly, and you will see pretty clear that this retracement here pushed the RSI of the super cycle wave 2, and the RSI never been lower than this. And this was the second wave of the third main wave here, retracement right there, second wave of the third super cycle wave in blue. All right, right now here, what the Fib circles are telling us is that this wave 5 might gonna reach $221,000. Okay, and it is calling. It has been called with from the retracement from the second and the first wave and second wave, main wave of this wave 3 super cycle, wave 3 that we are in right now. And also this fib circle is calling $220,000, and this retracement here that we had for the first wave of this intermediate wave of this main wave here. I'm going to show you. Let's go on the monthly chart. It's going to be easier. Okay, you remember the crash when the COVID happened in China. Market crashed too. This was top of one. This was the last bull run at 20K. We take the fib on the fib circle top, which was around $14,000 to the bottom. That was the bottom of the bear market. Not the bear market, but the bottom of the bear market was there. But the bottom of wave 2 was right here at 3,900 something, very close. And now the fib circle is calling the top we are on right now, right there. And if we grab the 5.618, you will see that this retracement is confirming that we are going in that zone around 220, 245. It is why right now we are on target, and this wave 5 should at least go to 200K in my opinion right now. This, sorry for this. All right. With the fib circle here, right there, D161 called the support of this wave 4. You see this 161 right here, 1.618 fib circle is calling for the support of the wave 4. On Elrond, same thing, 1.618 is calling for a support at $70 for this wave 4. We are on it right now. It's not the time to sell, it's time to buy. Yes, we can have a wick on the bottom of this logarithmic channel around 43, but it's time to accumulate right now. It's not the time to sell everything. I mean, you should add a sell when I called it, when I told you that we had a triple bearish divergence on the MACD, the MOM, and the RSI 1 month and a half ago and 1 month ago. I've been repeating this almost every week since a month and a half. Okay. Really cool. Here, this projection right there for this retracement, if I'm adjusting the fibs just a little bit, the trend line, you'll see that this is the top anyway, but we are confirming the end of this bull run around between, $1,200 and $1,600. This is a projection that was called in March 2020. Same thing happened for the Bitcoin at that time. The projection right here was perfect. The fib circle, look, if I'm taking this out to show you, one click on top, one click on bottom, the fib circle is calling for the top of this first wave at 1,177. And this 5.168 fib right here, 5.618, call the top of the bull run in December 2017 already. And this has been confirmed by many fib circle. Okay, as you know, after this top here that we're gonna have in this bull run, and this bull run can end, I told you, December, January 2022. This will be a crucial date, I think so. It can extend, the bull run can extend further than this, but I will not be surprised if we had the end of the bull run happen around those dates. Here, after that, we're gonna create a huge wave one, like you can see here with the Bitcoin super cycle wave 2 retracement. And after that, we're gonna have, you know, the continuation. It is why we have to follow this closely, okay, because it's gonna create this. We're gonna have a retracement, and after that, we're gonna go high. We're gonna rise higher, much higher. But I'm not calculating this right now. But you can see that Bitcoin created a super cycle wave 3 around $162 after reaching $1,177. This is why it will be big opportunity here to sell and big opportunity here to buy back during the bear market. And after this, you will have the strongest wave 3, super cycle wave 3 for Elrond, which the Fib circle is now coming. I mean, we're gonna have more specification after we retrace in the next bear market to call this wave 3. But now we have this indication that next bear market can hand around for Elrond around $48,534. This is not a joke for the moment. Maybe you think, hey, Mr. Mercy, you crazy, but I love you. You're crazy, but I love crazy people. But here, who thought that Bitcoin will be around 20K at that time, and that Bitcoin is probably end this bull market around $220,000? I mean, who thought that when Bitcoin was at $31? This is gold. This is rare. It's deflationary. It's there's no inflation with Bitcoin. Yes, we have volatility, but there's no inflation with eGOLD. Yes, for sure, the eGOLD will put some more coin in the market, but the circulating supply right now. Let's go check. Bitcoin circulating supply is at 18 million, and eGOLD is around 50, I think. 57. Almost the same supply, even a little bit lower right now than Bitcoin. And the max supply for Elrond will be, I think, around 21 total supply, 21, and max supply 31. This will be provided to secure the network with all the rewards that the validators and delegators are receiving to secure the network and stake the eGOLD on the Maiar wallet. This is cool. Here, want to show you this cycle right here, this retracement of wave 2 in January 2015 of this super cycle wave 2 provide us a prediction first for the top of the next bull run at 20K right here. This is crazy. Look at the fib. The top of the fib is covering right there at 20K, very close to 20K. This was called for by this fib circle right there already in 2011, but was reconfirmed after this super cycle wave 2 in January 2017, 2015. Also, this prediction here, this second wave retracement of this main wave in the last bull run, bear market, sorry, in the last bear market in December 2018, is telling us that the super cycle top of 3 is going to $1.3 million right here. You see? I'm gonna put a line right here. $1.3 million. This is not a joke. I mean, the Fib circle has been accurate like crazy. Why this will change today? It will not change. It's mathematic. And also we can count the wave here. This is pretty easy to see. The lowest low on the RSI, the second lowest low on the RSI was here. Those were a very good call for a second wave. Second wave of super cycle in blue, and second wave of main wave retracement of super cycle wave 3 right here. Okay, now we will try to reach the third wave, wave 3 of this. I mean, the third wave of the third intermediate wave. It's a main wave, but the third intermediate wave of this super cycle in blue, wave 3. Look, this is a 3 right there. Okay, I think you are following me. Really cool. After this, we will have a bear market, but this is gonna be a wave 4. And a wave 4 can be quick, or they can be long too. We're gonna see, but keep in mind that the next bull market will be a wave 4 retracement, and after this we're gonna go like crazy on the next bull run to 1.3 million. It's why I'm telling you right now, the Bitcoin at 30K, 30,000 K, it's cheap. It's not expensive right now if you buy it, because you are already you're not even on top of wave 3, of main wave 3 of this super cycle wave 3. After this next bull run that will bring Bitcoin to 1.3 million, it can be don't check the date here. It can be I mean, who knows? I've not checked about the time zone, the time frame about this, but if you are calculating every bull run happen to a bull run happen to every 4 years because of the halving, and it is why 2025 probably something like this, we should have Bitcoin should be around 1.3 million for the end of this wave 3. And this is going to be one of the most powerful wave we're going to see. And after that, we're going to have the fourth wave super cycle, wave 4 retracement. And we're going to have to follow this because at a moment the Bitcoin will be over. We'll have more detail with the retracement of this wave 4 and this retracement here. Okay, we are back on Elrond. Just to refresh you very quickly the memory about the video that I did yesterday with the Fib circle, we are able to predict what's going on next price target. And I draw this here. I've been drawing this one too, and right here. Okay, and you see the correlation that we are having here. And I told you this can be adjust a little bit, because this was a wick, and like the same happened here. I'm not gonna go grab, but you can just be smart and try to figure out. But the fib circle, this one here, you see, predicted this top of wave 3 right there, and this is wave 5. This is confirming, very close to confirm this same wave 5 here to hand, and we have the $5,465 that is starting to be on spot right now, and we will have more development after we retrace on this first super cycle wave 3. You put Elliott waves on this is not so tough to do. Okay, you have the bottom right here, top of 1, bottom of 2, top of 3, bottom of 4, and you will have 5 here. For sure, we are in a logarithmic mode right now, but if you get out of the logarithm mode, look at this is a wave 3. You see the difference? And this is easier to see by placing a log mode. And anyway, I use fib circles only in a logarithmic mode. This is, you need to know that this wave 5 gonna be is gonna have an intermediate impulsive in 5 wave like this, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna put that in a smaller, maybe in yellow. I'm gonna zoom in and show you. It is why if you want to catch top of 1, bottom of 2 here, top of 3, bottom of 4, and the last wave of the bull market, I'm gonna count all this with you, but it's coming next. It's coming before next Christmas, and we're gonna follow this very closely. I hope everything is clearer a little bit for you in time. I only want to finish with the Nasdaq, because you know that a Bitcoin is a risk-on asset, and every time Nasdaq is crashing or the stock market is crashing, Bitcoin's gonna crash. But Bitcoin is much more volatile than the stock market. It is why we have to be careful with this. But in time, if we take the trend-based fib time, and we are putting this on top right here, we were able to call this crash here that happened in February 2008. This is the red zone right here. Really cool to see. Also, for the next call that we are having will be around 17,434. We in the logarithmic channel, we can see that we are over the midline. I'm gonna put another fib circle right here. Those two circles are correlating in those two, which mean here can put an horizontal line for you. This was resistance, and we retrace here in December 2008. We had that little crash of the stock market, and the next one that I can see is up there. We're gonna have to follow this. This probably correlate with the end of the Bitcoin bull run. I don't know, but it can also be around 35. But this is pretty high. It's almost 3 times where we are right now. It is why this call is more realistic for the stock market, the Nasdaq right here. They can do this kind of stuff right here, and after a retrace again, and yep. But we will follow this. Very interesting to see that the Fib circle are operating very nicely on the Nasdaq too. If I'm just gonna erase everything to show you this. This is very interesting. If I'm moving this Fib circle here, you can see, I'm gonna zoom in, this, you gonna see that the red box was a resistance right there in 2008. And if we are moving red box again, look here, this line, I'm gonna take out the color, this is gonna be easier. But in time, the Fib circle of this retracement is providing us many resistance point. This was the gray line. This was the blue line right here. And we're still moving on. And right now, next target is what I was telling you before. For the Nasdaq is 17.7K. If we also place a Fib here, gonna take this one out. Orange line here, resistance. Look at this one, the 361.8 at 7,963. Big resistance here. Very nice to see. This was cool because this was calling more stuff short term into this trend. But hope you like, guys. If you have any question, leave me any all your question in the bottom, and I will treat them as soon as I can. And thank you very much for being here. This channel is rising. I really appreciate all your beautiful comments. I love you so much. Thanks for listening to Crypto Mercy. Bye bye. Have a wonderful Sunday. Cheers.